Now this is one of the things that I hate about automotive detail channels. First, let me show you, okay? As you can see, it's not beading, it's not doing anything, right? You can see that it's still wet. Now what I hate is somebody will take a wax, put it on there, talk about, oh, look at that water beading, look at those tight beads, how good it's doing, and all that, and this and this and that. And then that's it. There's only one channel that I know of right now. There's probably 3 channels outside of mine that will actually tell you this and show you this. Anything, does not matter what it is, will cause water to bead on your car. Does not matter what it is, and I'll prove it. And with that said is, I hate it because it's false advertising when people do that. They sit there and they spray their car down, wax it, and then look at all the water beads, look at how the water runs off. BS. The only time you should pay any attention to that and give it any credit whatsoever is whenever somebody's doing a longevity test. In other words, I'm going to wax the car today and I'm going to show you week by week by week how it's holding up, okay? Because watch this. Like I said, no trickery. Spray it. Nothing, right? There's no beading, there's no nothing. Well, watch this, my hand, okay? I'm gonna wipe it off. It's good and dry, right? Now I'm just gonna rub the side of my face ever so slightly, right? Straight down on the car. Give it a little twist just like I was waxing. Look at that, it's already beading water. You can even see the halo. Well, I guess you can see it in the video, but now watch. Look at that, beading. You can see the outprint of my hand, or exactly where I touched it. Full pressure water. Still beading, look at that.